So for this question here, we're looking at finding our principal. So for this, you can identify this because in the question we've got 7 years, a loan grows to 43,200. So that's our total amount. If the interest is compounded annually at 8%, what is the amount of the loan to the nearest dollar? So this is just looking for our first principal amount. So with this, our principal, that's what we're trying to figure out. Our amount at the end, it's told us this is $43,200. How many years it's compounded for, this is 7, and our rate is equal to 8%. Okay, so first we just need to actually figure out our value in our bracket. So I'm going to write our equation. Normally it's put like this. A is equal to our principal 1 plus our rate over 100 and the amount of years up there. So you can just fill in the blanks for this. So A, this is $43,200. Principal we don't know, so we leave that as P. 1 plus 8 over 100, and our end value is 7 years. So we'll just simplify the brackets here. So we get 43,200 is equal to P, and then 1 plus 8 over 100. 8 over 100 is 0.08, so this becomes 1.08 to the power of 7. Okay, now just remember that this is just like saying P times this whole value here, so this entire value here. So to get rid of this, we need to divide it by both sides. So P is equal to 43,200 divided by 1.08 to the power of 7. So here, when you work this out on your calculator, and please do this just to make sure you're using your calculator right, is $25,206.785. So, excuse my bad 8 there. So with this, just remember, look in the question, what does it ask you to round it to? What was the amount of the loan to the nearest dollar? So here, need to make sure we're putting this to the nearest dollar, so whole dollar. So this becomes 25,200, and because it's 0.7, that rounds it up, $207. So that's it for that question to find our principal.